Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a 2020 Kenworth W900 extended cab, factory Triaxle heavy haul to show you. Built with a deleted X15 Cummins, 18 speed, double frame, 18 fronts, 22.5 drop, 46 rears, full lockers, headache rack, wet kit. It's got everything that you want. Let's go ahead and get going, do a full walk around for you. Dual steering gearboxes. Clean, low mileage, Southern truck. Only flaws I see on it, you got a small scrape right up here. That's the only body or paint imperfections that I see on it. Hood, doors, all that's in really good shape. Like I said, Southern truck, so there's no rust anywhere. Double frame. New way air ride suspension, nice long slide. It's got excellent steers, and these rear four drives are excellent. Those are less than what these four rear are, so you're gonna pick it apart and say four front drives. All aluminum wheels. Nice enclosed headache rack. A little dent right there. That actually may pull out. Interior's nice and clean. Controls for your wet kit, full lockers, smart wheel, so you got your controls on the steering wheel. 178,000 miles, 6,600 hours. It's not all the way up to operating temp, but you get the idea. It's got good low side oil pressure, and then climbs is the RPMs climb as well. So guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.